Good morning, children. Welcome back for maths once again. Now, children, this I have wanted to complete in the live class, but I was not able to do. Now, this page, everyone has to buy the books. Okay. Now, this book page, this exercises you have to complete in the textbook only. Okay, now let us begin with the first page of your textbook. Now, this is which number is this? First one is, I think so, done for you. Okay, now the second number, how many tens are there? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 74. So, where is the number 74? This, right? Now, this third one, 1, 2, 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 39. And the last one is 81. Now, write the number before, after, or between. After 59, which number comes? 60. Before 81, 80. Then between 67 and 69, 68. Okay. Now, in each group, color the car with the greatest number red and the smallest number blue. So, you have to do this on your own. See, there are A and B. In each one number is given, which is the greatest one from among all, and one number which is the smallest one from everyone. So, you have to color greatest number red and smallest number blue. Okay, this is your work, what you have to do. Now, reading numbers up to 200. Now, I have already explained you how to build numbers. I have already told you the symbols. Okay, tens, ones, and then 100 symbols. Now, how to do it? To read a 3-digit number, first read the hundreds place and then read the last 2 digits. Okay, now we have to, when you are reading the number, so you have to first start from the hundreds place. Okay, how many hundreds are there? Then you have to read that much. Okay, like here the number is 180. So 100. Okay, 180. 100. This is 108. 108. And 147. 147. So this is how we have to read the numbers. Okay, now these statements are very important. The tallest building in the world is Burj Khalifa in Dubai. It has 163 floors. 163 floors. There are 166 moons in our solar system. The oldest person in the world was in France and lived for 122 years. Now, this is the model of a number, how you have to build numbers or you have to write numbers. See, 1, 10, this is not 10, okay, this is 1, this is 100. This is a 100 symbol. 100, 2 tens and 3 ones. Understood? So, how many hundred is there? 1. And this is 2 tens and this is 3 ones. So, what will be the number? 123. This is the number. This is how you have to see the symbols and write the numbers or build the numbers. Okay. Now, exercise 1A. This exercise is given on page number 9. Okay. Take a few sheets of square lined paper and some crayons. Color the boxes to show these numbers. Use one page for each number. Color a box of 100 squares for 100, one strips of 10 squares for 110 and one box for 1. Okay, now what will be the number? Color a box of 100 squares for 100, one strip of 10 squares for 110 and one box for 1. See, you have to take a few sheets of square lined paper. Okay, your square lined your maths notebook paper. Okay, color the boxes. You have to count first and use one page, full one page for each number. Okay, color a box of 100 squares for 100. Okay, now suppose this is the page and these are the squares. So you have to count and take 100 squares for 100. Then color a box, one strip, one rectangle strip like this. Okay. Strip of 10 squares. Now you have, here it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 squares. Okay. And one box for 1. And only one box for 1. This is how you have to color. Okay. So what will be the number? 100. Okay. And these numbers you have to build. Like 123 you have to build, 160 also, then 105 and 115. This is what these numbers you have to build. And everyone will send me the pic. Okay. Now, say the numbers loud. Which is the first number is already given, 114. How many 100 is there? 100, 110 and 4 ones. Here how many 100 is there? 100. How many tens? 1, 2, 3 tens. And can you see any ones? No, that means 0. And the C1 is how many 100? 100. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. And how many ones? 3 ones. And then D1, how many 100? 100. Can you see any tens? No, that means it will be a big 0. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 109. Now, the last number. How many 100 do you see? 2. Can you see any tens? 0. Can you see any ones? 0. That means the number is 200. Now, see on page number 10, question number 3. Write the numbers from 101 to 200. Say them aloud as you write. You have to fill in these boxes. Okay. Now, for you, I have already provided this 101, 102. But whenever you are writing it, you have to say it loud. Okay, so that your mind registers those numbers. You come to know after 115 what is the number, or before 187 what is the number, that is 186. Before 160, 159. Then after 160, 161. So this is how you have to write and read. Okay, both at the same time when you are doing this exercise. Okay, question number 4 and 5, hope so I'll take it in the live class. Okay, so complete till question number 3, page number 10. Thank you, children.